Yeah, compound inequalities for all y'all. Let's start with the first thing. You either see if it's an and an or. If it's an and, then you do this. You solve for x in both sides. When you have both of your x's, the first thing you do is look to which side the arrows are pointing when you're plotting them. If they're both pointing to the same side, then the thing that you have to do is only mark your answer with the values that they're sharing. So let's say it's x smaller than 7 and x is smaller than equals -1. Your answer would be x is equal or smaller to -1, because those are the values that they both share. If they're both looking towards separate sides, the arrows are. The thing that you have to do is see if they're touching. If they're not, there are no answers because they don't share any values. If they're touching, then the only point that they're touching in is your answer, yeah. But only if they're less than or equal to. Because if the both circles are open, then there's no point there. When the compound inequality is and or, then it's different. You first solve for x on both sides. Then the thing that you have to see is where the arrows are pointing. If they're both pointing towards one side, you just have to ignore when they're overlapping and your answer will be the side that's coming first. So let's say you get x is smaller or equal to 1, or x is smaller or equal to 3. Your answer is x is smaller or equal to 3 because they're overlapping. If they're both going towards the same side, towards different sides, the thing that you have to do is write all numbers real are solutions. Because they are, they simply are. That's only if they're touching. If there's a space in between, that space ain't part of the answer because there are no values there. So you just don't include those values in your answer.